What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe and the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Right now we're about to meet up with the homie Nick. We're gonna do a little canyon run. I don't know why we agreed to do a canyon run. It's freaking hot today, guys. It's like 100 degrees out here in LA, and I'm waiting for him to pull up at the gas station. I'm not too entirely sure what we're gonna do, but all I know is that we're meeting up right now, and our goal is to go to Angeles Crest and do a little canyon run. And I think he's here. I'll see him pulling up right here to the gas station. Guys, it is hot today, like crazy hot. I need gas, and hopefully they sell sunscreen. I'm trying to buy some sunscreen because me and the sun, no good, guys. Sheesh. I feel like I've been seeing you every day. Every day I've been seeing Nick.
We're best friends again?
Yes. Should we do our little handshake, our best friend handshake?
This one? I know. Bro, this shit was recording this whole drive right now.
Oh.
Bro. I'm going back to my hometown.
Hey, are we really doing a canyon run right now in this 100-degree weather?
I don't think it's a good idea.
Our car's gonna even make it up there? The
I
crank
have a
cups might
battery
blow
now,
out. The
too.
crank cups might blow out. I need to put gas. Bro, what? What's going on? Oh my, look, Nick.
So much money?
On what, gas?
Yes.
No.
That shit for sure gonna be $80.
I'm sad he didn't sell sunscreen, bro. I'm gonna get burned. As you guys know, we only put Shell, of course. Shell is the best. Shell is actually recommended if you guys didn't know. Look at that. BMW M recommends Shell V-Power, and that's exactly what we use. Nick needs to start doing some carbon on the car. He's lagging it. He only did the grills for now, but I think he's got everything coming in, like spoiler, diffuser, side skirts, front lip. He's got a bunch of stuff coming in for the car, so you guys will see the transformation on the car very, very soon on his channel. All right, guys, it's time to roll out. You better drink water. You better get hydrated. You're gonna need it, bro. Sheesh. Who bought a Lambo? There's a Lambo in there. Oh man, there's gotta be like 2 Lambos in there for sure. The new XM. That shit is crazy. Oh my god. Look at that front end. We're gonna be comparing the exhaust systems on our cars. Nick doesn't have an exhaust yet, but I know that he's gonna go. I know he's gonna get an exhaust very soon. I'm not sure if he's going titanium or if he's going stainless steel, but I'm trying to convince him to go with titanium. I just think it's better, it sounds better, and the material and stuff is just better overall, and the sound difference too. So we're gonna be comparing my exhaust and his exhaust, and you guys will hear the difference, even though his is completely bone stock. But I don't know, I think it'd be a cool video just to compare the 2 exhausts. We'll give you guys a little POV in the GTS, but you guys will see it in Nick's channel, the POV. So we're parked up here, Angeles Crest. Found some shade. I don't know about the spot though, it's kind of sketch. I feel like someone just gonna come in, phew, total both of our cars.
It's okay.
Then we'll get Lambos next.
Like G80 or something? Or Lambo.
So yeah, guys, as I mentioned earlier, this is a titanium exhaust stock, and this is stock exhaust. I think this is stainless steel, right?
Hit that thing. Right here.
Put a sign that says hit me? That'd be funny. But yeah, guys.
It's really stock, I think. I mean, I haven't looked under the car.
Yeah.
So I don't know if it's stock, but I think it is stock.
But you are looking for an exhaust though, right? At some point? Like,
I already ordered downpipes.
oh,
so those are coming.
Okay, nice.
But right now it's all stock.
Yeah, I think you should try to go for titanium. I just think it sounds better and the quality is just different. You'll hear the difference, obviously, but and then you guys will hear Nick's car, which obviously is nothing crazy. There's no burbles, there's nothing. It's completely stock, but huh?
Yours has burbles?
Yeah. If I'm not on like sport or anything, it won't burble.
Oh, it does have burbles, huh?
Yeah, it does have burbles. And then if I put in M2 or whatever setup I have, then it burbles.
Yeah, I need burbles. This shit's boring without it.
Yeah, you'll like it. But yeah, guys, so we're gonna compare the 2 exhausts.
Should I
And see. Yeah, let's see. Let's hear it. It's not bad for stock, you know. Yeah, you hear the difference though. It sounds good. I prefer, honestly, no burbles. Sounds good.
Should I rev it?
Yeah, go rev it.
No, what about
Put it.
crank up?
It is crazy loud.
Well, it's so loud.
Yeah, no burbles is, I like it without burble. My first time in your F80, bro.
Bro?
Yeah. Oh, I feel really low in here. Maybe because I'm on 20s. What happened? Car accident? Dude, I noticed the windshield tint on here.
Light darker?
I like it, yeah. Looks really good.
Wait, where do I go?
Bro, do you know how to drive this car?
No.
Yeah, full screen CarPlay. Rich. The Mustang wants to race you.
Did it go fast?
Yeah. Oh, shit. Bro, what's wrong with your brakes? Why are they squeaking so much? Carbon ceramics?
Yeah.
My
I think
first
I gotta
time in
bring it
F80.
You like my car?
Yeah. It's nice.
But why am I brakes so
Dude, I haven't sat in an F80 in so long.
That's cheap, bro.
No. Dude, it's been so long. Holy shit. Passenger princess or prince?
Princess. Should I try drifting?
No, hey!
I guess it's control.
They're really torquey. Wow, sounds good.
It's not.
Hey guys, so I brought Nick to one of my photo shoot spots that I like to shoot at. It's pretty cool. We got this cool background. Got that wall, so we might use that wall as well. And then this right here, so it's pretty cool. But Nick's wiping down the wheels real quick to make them look nice and clean.
These wheels are actually easy to clean, bro.
Essential Auto Spa?
Yeah, mobile right here.
Sheesh. So Nick recently added the carbon grills, as you can see. Looks really good. He needs to do this in carbon. This will look really good. He got the window tint done, which looks really good. I like the window tint, it's private. All right guys, well, we got Nick's car right against this wall. Pretty sick spot. I shot here with the M4 GTS a while back. Really solid spot, super cool. But guys, where's Nick? Oh shit. I found him. I found Nick, he's right there. Sheesh, Rich.
There you go, sir.
With the J's. Rich. Bro, oh my, be careful, dude.
From the front or the back? Bro,
Let's do both. We'll do both. Just chill right there. I'll take a photo of
I
it.
hit my freaking.
That's dope. That's a sick spot. Okay. All right. Well, the shoe was a success. What you got in there? Where's the money at? Well, the shoot was dope.
I spent all the money on F80. There's no money in here.
All the money's gone?
From my old car.
Oh, shit.
I put it back on the Bmw key. But the shoe was on my E92 key.
That's crazy. What else?
We leveled up.
Lipstick?
Chapstick.
Louis Vuitton? Damn!
I'm rich or what?
How?
I'm broke now.
Where's the LV?
That's my last dollar right there. Damn!
Hey! There's no money in there anyway.
Crank up.
Damn!
What if I just shipped into first right now? You didn't crank up?
Yeah, then the crank up would blow.
Joseph would have been like,
Oh, Joseph would have swung this whole thing right here. Oh, that's a 6 ton.
ah!
What the? How much wider the F80 is? Look at those hips. So much more wider. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys did Alrighty guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure to hit the subscribe and the like button. Turn on the post notifications. Follow me on Instagram. Make sure you guys follow Nick as well. Subscribe to his YouTube channel. Follow him on Instagram. See you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.